Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Desktop. This process helps you track what you owe to suppliers and ensures you pay them on time, keeping your business finances organized and your vendor relationships strong. First, let's start by entering a new bill. Click the plus new button in the upper left corner of QuickBooks Online. This button is your gateway to creating most transactions in QuickBooks. Once clicked, you'll see several categories of transactions you can create. Look for the Suppliers section and click on Bill to open a new bill entry form. This form is where you'll record all the details about what you owe. Next, select the Supplier from the Supplier drop-down list. If you're working with a new supplier, you can add them directly from this screen by clicking the option to add a new supplier. Now enter the bill date in the Bill Date field. This should be the date shown on the actual bill you received. Then enter the due date or select Terms in the Terms. Drop down to set when the payment is due. QuickBooks can automatically calculate the due date based on terms like net 30 inches if your supplier offers those. Next, choose the expense category in the category field to classify the bill. This step is important for tracking your expenses accurately. You also have the option to use item details below the category section. Use item details if you want to track specific coffee products or supplies individually. Use category details if you prefer to record the purchase as a general expense category, such as coffee supplies or inventory purchases. This flexibility lets you organize expenses in the way that makes the most sense for your business. If you have a physical copy of the bill or receipt, click Attachments to upload it. This keeps everything in one place for future reference. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save and Close to save the bill. When you're ready to pay your bills, click the plus new button again. Under Suppliers, click Pay Bills. This opens the bill payment screen where you can see all your outstanding bills. Select the payment account and date, then check the box next to the bill or bills you want to pay. You can adjust the payment amount if you're making a partial payment, then click Save and Close to complete the payment. QuickBooks will automatically record the transaction and update your accounts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.